Hello, my name is Ognen and I'm an application engineer in Typhoon HIL. I'm happy to inform you of our new feature, the Example Explorer. For many of you, our model examples provide a valuable starting point in building your own models. So far, the only option you had is to browse the installation examples folder by accessing through schematic editor. As we keep adding new examples to our installation, it becomes more difficult to find the example of your interest. For this reason, we decided to increase the visibility and accessibility of our examples through the Example Explorer. You can access the examples from the main screen by clicking on the button Examples. The first thing that comes up is a quick start page. For those of you who are new to our system, it allows you to try out your first model and get up and running quickly. The examples are organized in application areas and can be browsed by using the navigation tree on the left. By clicking on an example, you get a short description with a schematic preview. The model can be opened directly by clicking on Open Model, and there is also a link to the application note. You can also search the examples by keyword. We hope you like this new feature, and good luck with your work and finding your favorite example.